3 beds, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage. Okay. Okay. Tignan ko muna. This is the powder room. Siguro. Yeah, powder room nga. Half bath. This is the, let's turn on the light. Oh, that's ano. Asan ka light? Okay. So here. Coat closet siguro, no? Yeah. Coat closet.
Meron eh. Ito mga bago ngayon, baby.
Oo nga.
Cute din lang po.
Open. Ay, yun naman na talaga ang ano eh. Electric. No?
Yes.
Lahat ba electric? Kasi doon sa kabila rin electric.
Sometimes meron mga gas community, but tanong natin kung mas gusto mo ba yan?
May patio dito. I mean, hanggang saan yung property line, kunwari?
Remember nag-dip doon?
Oo.
Yung in-between doon?
Oh.
So usually dyan sa gitna niya. So it would be there where the black thing is. So hanggang dyan.
Yung dito sa harapan.
Hanggang doon sa dip ulit ng ano.
Oh.
Kasi lake property na yon.
Okay. Tingnan ko to.
So ito yung kalaki.
Cute. 2-car
Yes.
garage.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
I believe this is just kind of a storage here. Ito yung pantry niya.
Okay.
Pantry dyan.
Oh, okay. Pantry naman.
Teka, sarap lang.
Okay, okay. Okay. Malaki-laki na rin. Okay, so sa taas na.
So she's saying that whatever quantity they used here will be the same as the other one.
Maganda tiled floor.
Yes.
So, pagkaakyat, ano na, carpet.
I believe so.
Tapos may heat din, di ba? May heater din.
Heat and air.
Heat and air. Oh.
Right now, air condition na ngayon. 2 weeks ago, heater.
Heater.
Hi, yung sinasabi niya, wow, it's big. Whew, I like this. Oh my gosh.
Oh, goodness. Ang laki.
Ang laki.
Pati yung ano, walk-in. Parang isang kwarto
This
na.
is so nice.
Yeah. Ang laki. Tama nga siya. Nice.
Even here.
Oo nga. Malaki yung ano niya. Malaki ang...
Remember sabi niya,
Oo.
there are bigger homes pero ito pa rin mas malaking master bedroom niya.
Oo nga. So, separate yung ano niya, toilet. Tapos, so may ano rin, entry papuntang, hindi. This is the, ano, linen closet.
Mga pang tao.
Shower stall. Parang mas pulido yung pagkagawa dito kaysa doon sa isa. No? Parang may mga defects. May,
And yet yung presyo,
mas mataas doon eh.
kasi mas mahal talaga ang one story kaysa
Oh,
two
really?
story.
Why?
Yes. Because it has a bigger perimeter na yung concrete niya. Yung base, yung foundation.
Okay.
So this would be where the
Yun ano.
laundry.
Yeah, yan ang
Which is
gusto ko.
nice. Oh.
Kasi I prefer it to be upstairs. Kasi diretso na. Pagkahubad ng damit.
Yes. This is the air conditioner.
Ito yung ano, HVAC. HVAC.
Naman yung internet, yung
Ah, okay.
extra.
Yung box.
Oo. Yeah.
Okay.
This is second.
It's yung second bedroom. Oh, my kulay.
This is nice kasi shared sila. Kung yung isa gustong maligo, dito, nagtututbrush ka, may makeup yung isa, okay na.
Oo nga, no. Nasa loob yung ano.
Yung isa, halimbawa.
Oo nga, pwedeng isara. Kasi usually walang pinto eh. Diretso lang eh.
Oo nga, ito nga lang
Ano?
yung ako na ganyan.
Maganda yung idea na
Because
yun.
you know why? They always improve. Kung ano yung mga kailangan.
So, ano lang naman yan? Fixture
Oh, yeah.
lang yan. You
Decor.
can, decor lang yan.
You can put another one. Even
Rod.
it's here.
Yeah. Rod.
Oo.
Oo.
Tapos syempre yung liner mo sa loob.
Oo nga.
So as it is,
Ito.
nakita mo, ganun din yung isa. Which is good.
Yeah. O to, walk-in to. Oh.
Hindi mag-ikot ka, bilagin ko lang itong back.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I like this. Kasi lahat na nasa bucket list ko nandun. Kasi I prefer the
Laundry.
laundry to be upstairs.
Very handy.
Gusto ko talaga yun. Kasi it makes sense. You know, and there's a lot of room for my work area.
Yeah.
Kasi I like working from my from my bedroom.
Yung isang corner dun, oh. Either there or dito sa kanan.
Oo. May room, definitely.
The big space.
Pwedeng,
And also, this is king size.
oo nga. Hindi naman ako magki-king size, magki-queen size lang ako.
Oo.
I don't need a big bed.
Yeah.
Ang bed ko ngayon is king size, pero because when my kids were younger, they used to
Yeah.
like sleeping in with me. Pero,
I like selling this builders item.
mm-mm.
Kasi, well again, ini-improve nila lagi yung mga features.
Ito lang bang model nila na 2-story? O meron pang iba?
We can ask.
Mm-mm.
Kasi, well, with the other builder, I had 5 bedrooms.
Mm.
So that's for really a big family.
Oo, no. I don't need 5
Yeah,
bedrooms.
we can find out.
Yeah. Foyer. Tapos ito coat closet. Ay, mga ano lang naman to eh. Mga, that's not the important part. The important part yung structure.
Yeah.
Mga,
And I
yung fixtures.
Ito i-confirm natin. Yung 10-year warranty ba?
Oh, okay. Okay. So, lahat ng houses, ganito magiging layout.
I believe, yes, the floor plan will be like this.
Like this, right?
Pero itanong natin
So, parang may
ito for sure, meron ding front porch.
kasi parang walang ano eh, no? Walang back. I mean, where can you grill, kunwari?
Sa likod.
Sa likod? Kaya nga, yung property line, di ba? Alin doon? Yung, okay. Tingnan nga natin yun. Sorry.
If you want to extend the patio, we'll find out. I believe you have to
Option yun.
get a permit.
Yeah.
Para mag-extend mo ng even kind of like a floor, yung paver.
Oo.
Yeah.
Ayun.
Yeah.
Sino? Paano ka ano?
Usually, pwede mo siyang mag-ask lang kung what's needed. Yung iba.
Hanggang saan uli yung
Ang
property line?
Ay, itong
Oh, malaki rin.
all the way to the dip.
Ha?
All the way doon sa pond, nag-dip siya.
Oh. Oh, really?
So you own this.
Okay.
This is a part of the
Pwede mo pa fence yan? Hindi.
baka open lang na gano'n.
Ganon lang. Oh, yung katulad dun sa kanila. Oh, I see.
Of the water.
Okay. Got it. Okay.
Kasi
Oh, pwede na yung privacy fence. Tapos,
yeah,
okay.
yung see-through.
Oo nga, kasi people like to look,
Yes.
ano.
Binabayaran din yan.
Pero, you know, I don't mind
Yeah.
kung walang lake.
Yes. I know what
Kasi
you're saying.
I'm not,
Pero because for this property,
yeah,
dapat
face.
ganun.
Oo. Okay.
Yeah. Puro bago kasi hindi wala pang fence.
Oo nga. Oo.
It's still developing.
Yeah.
So it's a good
Yeah.
first stage.
Oo nga. And I like na tile floor sa baba. Kasi more
Spacious.
foot traffic din, di ba? Sa baba.
At saka may privacy ka na sa taas.
Mm-mm.
Kung may mga
Kaya,
bisita.
kaya nga gusto ko talaga two-story eh.
Dito lang yung galawan.
Oo nga.
They have classroom.
Oo.
So it's a matter of, like how you arrange things. Like dito, akala mo, ang laki-laki kasi naiusod dyan.
Furnitures ko naman maliit lang eh. I mean, so I'll really have a lot of space.
Yeah.
Hindi rin ako nag-entertain.
And that's good para hindi cramped.
Ang entertain ko lang family ko, friends.
Yeah.
And they're not even here. Kahit naman sa Virginia, hindi ako nag-entertain.
But do you like the layout?
I like it. I really like it.
Yeah.
Oo.
Kaya nung sinabi mo sa akin na you prefer two-story.
Yeah.
I know where to bring you.
Yeah. I prefer two-story talaga.
Okay. Sige,
Kasi parang I feel so constricted in a...
kasi ano yun,
Parang wala ka na mapuntahan.
you're all cramped.
Yeah. There's everything on... I mean, I don't know. Siguro it works out for others. It doesn't work out for some. Now this is the one story.
Taylor Morrison, one story.
One story to. Pero it's bigger.
It is bigger.
Ah.
2,000 square feet.
Just out of curiosity, I just want to see.
Isa pa, that's 1,800 up and down.
Yun nga,
This is 2,001 floor.
one
Kaya
floor.
malaki talaga.
Malaki. So, 4 beds?
4 bedroom, 3 bathroom.
Oh, okay. 4 beds.
Iba-iba yung
Pero mas mahal ano, sabi mo?
I believe so. Parang 379 yata. But we'll find out.
Yeah, so ito yung first bedroom. Okay.
So again, it can be a it can be a guest room or
Okay,
office.
okay. Okay. Malaki yung powder room niya. No? It's a powder room.
Yes.
Yeah, one half bath eh.
half.
Malaki ano?
Kaya 2.5 bathroom.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So, this will be split plan, meaning to say, ang master's doon. Master's dito.
Mm.
And
Okay.
then the other 2 bedrooms will be on the other side.
Okay. Smaller ang master nila dito. Shower stall. Tapos separate din yung toilet dito. Parang ganun na rin ang ginagawa nila, no? Separate ang toilet.
Oo nga eh.
Para magamit ng sabay.
Just na naman, may privacy pa rin.
Yeah.
So, with this one, kaya mas mahal kasi meron ka na rin covered.
Nilanay.
And then, you can have it screened over time.
Okay.
Tapos, yung other 2 bedrooms. In this case, remember we're saying na
Natamaan ka ba?
konti.
Masakit.
Di ba sabi mo, you need an office? In this case, 4 bedrooms. Pwede mo.
Ay, yung kanilang pantries walk-in, no?
Maganda rin itong front door na office, front room na office mo kung gusto mo.
Pwede ba kumuha?
Yep.
Nagutom na eh. Ito yung kanilang washer dryer. Kasi yun ang yun ang supposedly ang garage. Okay. Washer dryer. Washer dryer. Tapos this is to convert ng office. Okay, makes sense.
Galing nilang decorate, ano?
Oh, syempre. They hire professionals, to do that. Eto, hindi separate ang toilet. Maganda yung isa, separate yung toilet.
Yung two-story.
Maganda separate yung toilet.
Kasi isa pa, kung maliligo yung bisita mo o ano, wala doon sa kabila eh. At least yung sa taas, tapos
Pwede rin naman gamitin yung half bath, yung powder room. Maganda kahit na yung kanilang one story. Ang ganda eh. No?
malaki.
Oo. Malaki. Pero mas gusto ko pa rin yung 2 stories.
Itanong natin kung may ibang
Oo nga. Para maka-compare lang. Nakunan ko kaya ng